Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning everyone. Let we introduce ourselves. My name is Arja Itu Jahra. My name is 63240902 and my friend.
My name is Rasya Maula Usman with name 63241219 and we are from class 632A14 branch Karawang.
As you can see on the screen, our topic today is a computer and hardware. Our presentation will take 10 minutes. Enjoy the video. What is a computer? A computer is an electronic device for processing data. It consists of hardware, software, and brainware, the user. It operates in three main stages: the first input, process, and last output. Who are the key figures in computer history? Important figures include Charles Babbage, Alan Turing, and John von Neumann. They could contribute to the invention and development of computers from the 19th century to the mid-20th century. Why were computers invented? Of course, to help humans complete tasks more quickly, efficiently, and accurately. Computers simplify many aspects of life, such as information, entertainment, healthcare, and industry.
When did computers start to evolve rapidly? Since the invention of the first large-scale computer in the 1940s, rapid technological development began after the creation of ENIAC and the discovery of the transistor. Where are computers used today? Computers are used in office, home, schools, hospital, and almost everywhere. Their ease of use and affordable price make them widely accessible. How would life be if computers had never been invented? Modern technology like mobile phones, robots, and the internet might not exist. Many tasks would be slow and harder. However, computers also bring negative impact like unemployment.
Yep, computer have types. Types of computer. There are several types of computer based on size, function, and usage. Each type has different capabilities and purpose. The first is supercomputer. A supercomputer is the fastest and most powerful computer used for heavy tasks such as weather forecasting, scientific research, nuclear simulation, and molecular modeling. Second, mainframe computer. Mainframes are used by large organizations to handle vast amounts of data, typically used by banks, insurance companies, and government agencies. Third, microcomputers or personal computers. Microcomputers are the most commonly used type of computer. Examples include desktop, laptops, and netbooks, used for personal, educational, and office purpose, and daily activity daily. And yep, what's the meaning of hardware? Hardware is the physical component of a computer that can be seen and touched directly, functioning as the tangible parts that support computer process. Hardware in a computer system refers to the physical components that you can touch and see. These components are generally classified into several types based on their function. Types of hardware. The first, input device. These devices are used to enter data into the computer from the outside world. For the example is keyboard, mouse, scanner, touchscreen like pen, graphic table, and other. They serve as a medium for data entry so the processor can process the information. Second, processing device. These are the components responsible for processing data and executing instruction. Key processing hardware includes CPU, Central Processing Unit, the brain of the computer controlling all operation, and RAM, Random Access Memory, temporary memory for data and process, and VGA card, process graphic data for display output. And third, output device that display or produce the result of the computer's processing. Example are monitor, display screen, printer, projector. These hardware components convert process data into human readable form or physical output. And for storage device, hardware used to store data permanently or temporarily. Example include hard disk, drive, HDD, flash disk, CD-ROM, magnetic tape, internal memory like RAM and ROM, read-only memory. And last, peripheral device, additional hardware that extends the computer capabilities but is not part of the core component, such as modem, TV tuner card, capture units. This peripheral can be input or output device but are considered supplementary. Who use hardware? Of course, all technology users, like individual, business, educational institution, student in computer science, and other.
When did hardware development begin? Hardware development has been ongoing since the inception of computers in the mid-20th century. When is hardware needed? When building a computer system, replacing damaged components, or improving performance. When does hardware evolve? Rapid advancement occur annually. Moore's law, tech innovation. Where is computer hardware typically manufactured? Hardware is produced in manufacturing facilities around the world with major hubs in countries like China, the United States, and Taiwan. Where is hardware used? In computers, smartphones, servers, IoT devices, smart vehicle, etc. Where is hardware sold or marketed? In retail stores, online, e-commerce, or integrated into finished product. Why is hardware important in computers and electronic devices? Hardware is essential for the functioning of computers and other electronic devices, enabling users to perform tests, run applications, and connect to network. How does hardware work in a computer system? Hardware works by interacting with software to perform operation. It processes data, stores information, and communicates with other hardware components. That is all from our group. Thank you for your attention and time.
We hope what our have said will be beneficial for all of us.
Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.